Hello, my name is Abrar Hussain. Welcome to Tech Time. In this lecture we will learn about Python programming language. So let's begin our journey of learning language of snakes. Let's start by knowing what is programming. Programming is a set of instructions that you provide your computer or mobile to do some tasks. For example, opening WhatsApp or Messenger, etc. A language throughout which you convey instructions to the computer is called programming language. There are various programming languages out there, however, Python will be our focus. Some languages are interpreted and others are compiled, and few are a combination of both. Interpreted languages execute code line by line, but code by compiled languages is directly executable. Python is a combination of both. And we will use Atom.io, which is an integrated development environment to generate programs. See you in next class for real programming. Follow my lead to install Atom.io on your laptop or computer with Windows operating system. Let's go. Write www.atom.io in address bar or search it on Google. Let's do it. It will only take a few seconds. Just wait. It will only take a few seconds. Just wait. Thanks for watching the video. Share it and subscribe Tech.Time channel to watch more similar videos, and visit our website